Hi, my name is Iffy and I'm a pharmacist at Mega 8 Compounding Pharmacy. In this video, I'll explain how to use Mega 8's compounds for the treatment of sexual dysfunction. Your package may include a medication that comes in a troche sleeve. I'll now explain how to use the medication. Your medication will come in a child-proof troche sleeve. It is important to note the front of the medication and the back of the medication. This will also be labeled with a red flag so you'll know that it is sealed. To open, you'll firmly press on the sides of the troche sleeve. As you press down, you can slide open the blue tab at the top of the sleeve. This will expose the troche medication. You can take out one of the troche medications and place under the tongue or in the sides of the mouth. Allow the medication to absorb. This can take from 8 to 10 minutes. To achieve the maximum effect of your treatment, please always follow your prescription. If not, it can reduce the effect of the therapy. Do not interrupt treatment without consulting with your physician. Always keep medications away and out of children's reach and sight. Mega 8 compounding medications comply with USP guidelines as it pertains to beyond use date, which you can find on a label. Using medications after the beyond use date may decrease its effectiveness. A patient care coordinator will contact you 2 weeks after receiving the compound to discuss the effectiveness of your treatment. Thank you for watching, and thank you for choosing Mega 8 Compounding Pharmacy, working together for a healthier living.